gotta be kidding me. I wasn't recording this whole time and I did all this work. No. No. Well, so much for the stream for today. And Cat just smashed. Well, I'll go over what I did since I forgot to record. Anyway, what I did is I came over this edge and I did a sweep, which I drew out a not me with the no more of those. I drew a sketch here. Used this to attach this, make a datum plane, create a sketch here. Then from that sketch, I used the curves workbench. Get rid of this. I used the curve workbench to form this edge right here into an edge I could use. Then I attached it to this edge, made it work itself all the way down. And now there's a little gap here, just like in the real car or the prototype car. And then I worked on lofts to create this. But both of these need to get fixed up, so if you missed a stream, obviously I can't go back in time and get the footage back. Tough luck. But when I fix these things up, you'll get to see me edit them more. I also discussed that these, I can't bring these in the same way that I used to because the image workbench is apparently gone. And most of the stuff that I use in these videos, I have in a playlist. And I'd also use my episodes to explain what's going on. They'll be old footage, but you know, stuff that I don't think about live. Anyway, with that said, 2 minutes. I've been streaming for 47 minutes and I got 2 minutes out of it. Amazing. Well, with that said, I'm out. Goodbye.